Hey there. So, let's talk about a rather interesting problem that can occur when using C++ in concepts. The problem arises when you have a base class with a function in a derived class that adds a constrained version of the same function. Despite the derived class having a more constrained function, newer versions of compilers like Clang 18 and GCC Trunk are throwing an error, claiming an ambiguous call. Now, diving into the solution provided for this problem. The behavior change is due to CWG 2789, which introduced ambiguity in such cases. Essentially, the newer standard no longer considers the constrained function in the derived class as more constrained, leading to the ambiguous call error. This change was made to ensure more consistent resolution of such scenarios. In summary, the change introduced by CWG 2789 has altered how constrained functions are compared in C++, leading to ambiguous calls in cases like the one mentioned. It's essential to be aware of this behavior when working with constrained functions and inheritance in C++. As always, keep coding, stay curious, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Happy coding!